Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while. I'm going to try to make more regular videos and we're going to start off slowly. So today we're going to be talking about making your own white noise effects, because for some reason I can never find good white noise effects. Doesn't matter what pack it's from, there's never the white noise effects that I'd like, so we're going to talk about that. Now, originally I was using the 3OSC plugin in FL Studio, and I always liked it because there was this wide stereo noise and I could never figure it out, but now I've actually figured it out. So check this out. We have a normal white noise here. You can use anything for this: serum, massive, whatever. This is just nice because it's fully random. But yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna duplicate it 3 times. Okay, so now we're gonna have, it's gonna be a little bit louder, but 3 white noises. Okay, 3 oscillators. Pan 1 to the left, 1 to the right, and the other one center. So now you have 3 fully random white noise oscillators spread across the stereo spectrum, which is pretty cool. And now for the more white noise effecty stuff, we're going to talk about some techniques you can use. So first of all, my favorite thing for these effects is a bandpass filter on a 24 dB per octave, whatever, resonance or something. Yeah, that's just my absolute favorite, and all you have to do is put a white noise note, just a note down, and you automate this thing from like maximum to, to bottom. I like to tweak it, according to my taste, but and yeah, you can absolutely just make it way longer. So yeah, that's one technique. And what's fun with this as well is, here, I'm just gonna disable the automation for now. Sorry, I'm a little rusty at videos, it's been a while. Okay, anyways, so we have this white noise, and what we can do is automate the frequency of this white noise. So then you can get that little bubbly, like, and I'll just show you guys that really quick. We can sync it to the grid. You can make it a little slower if you want. So that's actually a pretty cool way. You can really adjust the amount that you want to do here. So anyways, that's another way of making it a little bit more unique. I'm going to re-enable the automation, and we can hear it. So yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, that's one of my favorite tricks. You can try to do high passes, although I find that a little bit annoying in most cases. Low pass equally as annoying. That's why bandpass is really cool, because it just sweeps, just a range, just one band of the white noise. And there's a big difference between this and just center. Like, I just love that stereo-ness, I guess. Okay, now let's talk about other things you can do. There's the usual reverb delay stuff. That's your reverb. Delay is here. So you can do that kind of stuff. It's interesting, although I much prefer ping pong delays. So as you can hear, it's going like which is very nice. Although that's kind of hard to tell when there's a full, when there's a constant note. I think it's better if you have just a short note, and then maybe you could do the filtering afterwards. That'd be interesting. Anyways, lots of interesting stuff with delays. Okay, one more thing, and I think we're gonna wrap this up after. So, well, 2 more things. I'm just looking at all these effects and I'm like, discovering more things. So another thing you can do is have a frequency shifter do these white noise effects, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I really like that. There's also phasers, flangers, which can really change the tone, just make it a little bit more unpredictable, along with choruses. So let's just try to add all 3 of those, because why not? Oof, that is heavy. I'm gonna add a phaser as well. So you can make like crash type of, you know, you can probably make a crash sound out of this. Anyways, just ways to make it more unique. And finally, one other cool way is to basically sidechain the white noise to, you know, the volume, make it go down, kind of duck it. So like this. You hear this a lot in EDM, especially when the tempo is like 130 and like this is very, very common. Or let's even go faster, I guess. Like there's like so many effects like this, and that's, I guess, where you could add the delays and. Yeah, just really cool stuff. You can also pan it, you know, just add a bunch of weird things. But anyways, hopefully you guys found something cool in this video about making white noise effects. And if you enjoyed, please slap that like button, hit that subscribe, follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you guys in the next video or live stream. So take care, guys. Peace.